So hey guys, today I wanted to share with you another recall that will affect some of our cars. I don't know if you guys have heard about it yet. It's a recall, it's affecting 628,000 vehicles from Acura and Honda for defective fuel pumps. Now, they said that they'll start notifying owners May 18th to let you know if yours is affected, and you can schedule an appointment to bring it in to get a new fuel pump. There's a lot of vehicles from Honda and Acura that it includes. I'll put it on the screen here. It's a lot for me to tell you, but you can see it here. And the 2019 to 2020 Accord is one of them. So I don't know if you guys are having issues with them or what, but they will be affected. Now they'll notify you per your VIN if it is affected. You can also go to the Honda's website and type in your VIN number, and it'll let you know right now if it's one that's affected. So kind of interesting. At least they're doing the right thing and letting you know, and they'll replace it. You know, one thing good about Honda I've noticed over the years is that they do stand behind it. Now problems will come up and there will be recalls and TSBs and things like that, but they do get it fixed. So that's one good thing. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you haven't already heard, at least you can get it checked and see if it is one that's affected. And then you'll know to make an appointment. I don't know if they'll do it now. If they even have the parts, you can try. If it is one of the affected ones, just get a jump on it. Because I know if you wait, then it's hard to get appointments and things like that. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope it helps you guys out. I know it's a bummer when you have recalls, but like I said, at least they're going to fix it. And every car manufacturer has issues. So hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. I'll have another video coming up shortly. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.